So before seeking treatment, I had neglected my teeth for a number of years, and they were bad. It got to the point where I wasn't terribly comfortable smiling. I found the teeth were really not conducive for eating food, so it was time to seek some treatment and to find out what I could do to repair them. What kept me from making a change a little bit sooner was simply embarrassment. I'd gotten to the point where I was so uncomfortable with my teeth that I didn't even want to go in and have somebody have a look at them. The experience was great. As I'd mentioned, one of the things that prevented me from getting work done before is I was ashamed of how it looked. But when I went in for a consultation, they made me feel comfortable. They had a great bedside manner. There was no shame, there was no judgment, simply observations and solutions to what my problems have been. Since that point, I have been feeling great. I have had no issues whatsoever. Things I can do now that I couldn't before is everything. I'm more comfortable socially. I have no problems smiling and laughing with people. I can eat just about anything. Before I really kind of limited my eating to softer foods, and now I don't find there's any restrictions with anything I eat. Since I've had the work done, you know, the feedback that I've gotten from family and for friends, they say my teeth look great. As a matter of fact, one of my acquaintances is a dentist, and he had noticed that I'd had the work done before, and he said that Dr. Mark had done a fantastic job with them. I'm glad I got them done. It's made me feel a whole lot better than I did before, and I'd certainly recommend it.